Look at this machine. It's all moist. It's raining. But I gotta ride out. The show must go on. The duck in the rain. Let's turn the lights on. Turn on the power. Start this summer bitch. We're good. I really did not want to go get gas, but I have a feeling my gas light is about to come on. It's true. I was gonna go to Jane Motorcycles to get a coffee, but then I realized that I already had a coffee and I already had a tea, and I don't need more caffeine and such. This guy's pulling out. That's fine. A big ass truck. Look at this. What's happening here in Bedford? This guy is amateur. The amateur in the Rover. Nice. What's up with these people? Why are they going so slow? So that's why I don't go on streets like this, because as soon as I try to be calm and hang out in traffic, I lose interest. Williamsburg. Have not taken you guys here in quite a while, since I haven't been really making live vlogs in quite a while. I got all these damn camping trips and out of town rides, which I really enjoy, which are some of my favorites, to be honest with y'all. So that's why I keep posting them, because pretty soon it's going to be just all this all the time, because it's just going to be freaking wet and cold, and nobody's going to want to go camping in the wetness and the coldness. Can't turn that way, bro. Can you? It's possible to turn that way now? No? No, it's not. Oh, you're just pulling over. My ass is coming up. My ass is hanging out. Come on, dude. What is the meaning of this? Fucking move. Maybe? Dumbass. Dumbass. Just, I can't believe if I can call them dumbass. Poor guy. Poor guy. He's just trying to live. He's not a dumbass. He's just a dude. Just driving in a taxi, you know. The guy's probably like, no, 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 not this corner. Next corner. This corner. Oh, it's beautiful. Should keep riding. My bike is looking sexy in the rain. All wet. I do like it. See, I just don't feel like splitting and fucking anybody today. I don't know why. Like, some days you're just in the mood for that, and other days normally I'd pull up over there, but I think it's because it's raining. I'm just not looking for adventure, even though all of these people are driving like fucking babies. Like, look at this Scion, supposedly a race car. Bah. Nah. Ooh, the bike sounds mean-alicious. Mean-alicious. Good. It's a red light. At least it's a red light. Look at these people. They're all taking a right. Everybody. Everybody's cutting each other off. I don't know what's happening here. Come on, baby. No. I don't understand why the cars are driving slow. I get why I'm riding slow. Ooh, that Mazda was dope as fuck. I get why I'm taking like corners really slow and careful, but like, why are the cars? That I don't understand. You know? Why are the cars doing that? That just makes no sense. You got all the grip in the world. There's a brand new building right over here, 505 Union. Sweet. Balconies over there. Not bad. So yeah, I was gonna go for a longer ride, but like, just not feeling the moisture. So There's that. I'm not gonna go to Union Garage or Jane Motorcycles. That was gonna be my 2 little stops today. So that's that. Back in Brooklyn, the way shit is looking, I'ma see Central booking. I got 3 cases in 3 places. 1 in Queens, Manhattan, 1 in Brooklyn. The way shit is looking, I'ma see Central booking. Fucking A, this fucking taxi is stinky as fuck. Driving like a little banana. Don't even turn it right, you son of a bitch, I swear to God. Okay, good. Ooh, the Bridgestones gripping. Them Bridgestones be gripping. That's right. Full trust on wet with these Bridgestone battle axes. Whoa. You know what I mean? Anyway, boys and girls, I mean, I don't have much more to say. So I'm gonna have to cut this vlog. Shizord Vlizog. Okay? I'll talk to you soon. Talk to you like really soon. Bye-bye.